how to create Google Drive link to share files. So if you want to create Google Drive link to share your files, then what you need to do is first open up your browser, go with the upper right, which has that Google Apps, and then go with Drive. Now, once you're under the Drive, what you need to do is just simply go with the plus, which is right here on the upper left, go with New, and go with a file upload or a folder upload, anything that you're comfortable with. I'll just simply choose folder. Now, for example, I'll just upload this one. Go with Open and wait for it to upload. And once it's uploaded, you just need simply go with the file that you've just uploaded. So reload your page, and here you will have your file, right? So once you've uploaded here, you need to go with the right side, which has that three dots option, and go with share. And again, click on share or just go with copy link, and your link has been copied, right? You can go with manage access, which is right here on the bottom left. Click on it and it will open up the access. Now, you need to go with general access, and if it is restricted, you need to choose anyone with the link if you want to allow the other person to edit the report. So go with anyone with the link and go with the right side and go with editor if you want the other person to edit, and go with done and copy the link. But if you want to share it to only one or two person, then you just need to simply go with restrict and then add the people or groups. So for example, I'll just simply add a person, select the person, and then go with the right side and make sure that you've selected editor and then message something, and go with send or just copy the link or send. And that's it. Now if the other person opens up that, then they'll have this kind of interface. So just simply go with the drive, and here you can see that internship report. Just click on it, and now the other person will be able to edit that. So that's how you can create Google Drive link to share files with others. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.